Hey guys, it's Anton. Today you just got your package of bees and you're wondering, what am I gonna do with this thing? We got some prepping to do, so we got to make 2-to-1 sugar water. What that means is 1 part sugar to 2 part water. Pre-mix that, put it in your feeder, and then go prepare your hive. If you have an old hive like I do, you don't need to clean it out. The new bee will take care of that for you. So all these dead bees in here will be taken care of. Choose your placement of the hive away from your house, facing east if possible. Install about 4 to 5 frames, leaving enough space for our new package. So you can do this outside the hive or just pre-install it inside your hive. So you want to use your hive tool and pry out the sugar can feed that comes inside your package. It might be a little tricky because it's pretty tight in there, but just be careful and you'll get it out. Mine is still pretty full, so I'm going to reuse it for my hive. This little tab right here next to the can is your queen. So just lift that up, slide it toward the big hole where the can was, pull it up, and there's your queen cage with the queen inside of it. Shake the bees out. Be sure to inspect the queen for health. Be sure she's still alive. Then place the can back where the hole was so you don't have a chaotic situation going on. Here's the queen. She's healthy and alive. That's what we want. The worker bees are attending to her. They're not trying to kill her, which is a good sign. At the end of the cage, you can see there's a cork there. We want to remove that cork and stuff that hole with either a candy or marshmallow, or just like what I'm doing here with some grass. This is the first time I'm trying it with grass. We'll see how it goes. The plan is to install the queen and the package for a few days, maybe 2 days, and come back in, look at the queen cage to see if she got out. If not, we'll release her manually. So I decided to take out the package of bees and install the sugar feed on the bottom, since I got quite a bit of sugar in there still. Put the queen on top of the sugar feed box and then place my package of bees right over that. This way I don't have to shake the bees out and make them fly everywhere. My hive is probably a little bigger than yours. This is the first time I'm trying this too. It has a deep and a medium stack on top of each other, and the frames are connected together. That way when I inspect them, I don't have to lift my top bee box off. I just go through the 10 frames and I'm done. The reason why I'm doing that is because my back is bothering me, so I'm just doing it the easy way. See you guys.